So we have
Clancy Posa, Rain Christine Galang,
Diego Andres Abelardo,
Jamaica Jade Nahilat,
Tom,
9 Pinnacle Studio, 9 JavaScript,
Turbo Pascal po.
10 AppleScript.
So we have just two simple questions for our celebration of Teachers Day. The first question is, what is one thing you admire most about your life?
I admire Sir Wilber's positive attitude every morning. In that way, mas ginaganahan kami makinig at manulit sa kanya. I admire his guidance, yung pagiging understandable niya sa amin. One thing I do admire the most sa advisor namin, Sir Jello, is that how he can handle being calm and supportive at the same time. And nararamdaman po talaga namin yun during our culminating activities. His support encourage us to give and put effort pa and to try our best pa kasi alam namin na yung advisor namin is andyan for us.
Yeah. So for the last question for the both of you, what is your message for our teachers?
First of all, happy Teachers Day po sa lahat ng teachers. Una po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat dahil hindi lang po basta tinuturo nyo sa amin is about sa subject, kundi sa life lessons din po na madadala po namin sa future with your effort, your genuine love and support sa amin. And yung guidance po ninyo na talagang maa-apply po namin sa araw-araw. Happy Teachers Day po to our dear teachers. Thank you so much po for teaching us every lesson we deserve to learn. And kagaya nga po ng sabi ni Rain, yung lesson na po yan, madadala po namin yan sa future. And sana makasama po namin kayo hanggang dulo.
So we have just two simple questions for our celebration for Teachers Day. So first question is, what is the one wish you could tell to your advisor?
I wish I could tell to Miss Akela to keep on inspiring others and also to keep on fighting for us Especians to gain more knowledge.
We have just two simple questions for today for our celebration for Teachers Day. So first question is, what is one thing you wish you could tell to your advisor?
I wish I could tell Miss Christian how proud and thankful we are as her being our advisor, lalo na she always guide us and parang nagiging second mom na rin namin siya. And throughout yung mga culminating activities and science week namin, nakita namin how supportive she is sa mga ginagawa namin. And sobrang thankful din kami in a way na lagi siyang nandyan na para i-guide kami sa lahat ng mga bagay, lalo na bilang our Filipino teacher and also as our advisor to.
So for last and second question for the both of you, what is your message for our teachers and administrators?
I would like to say thank you to every teachers na who continuously inspire us sa mga ginagawa namin. They always tell us na always strive harder and work harder para ma-achieve namin yung mga goals namin sa buhay. And they always guide us din naman sa pang-araw-araw, which is I am always thankful as someone na estudyante na laging pumapasok at saka as someone na graduating talaga na estudyante.
Yes.
I just want to say thank you po sa lahat ng teachers at administrators po dito sa Systems Plus Computer College Junior High School Department for always guiding us po and for committing to excellent always.
Yeah. So again, today we have
Jamaica Jade Nahilat from 10 AppleScript.
Diego Andres Abelardo from 10 Turbo Pascal.
Yay!
Happy Teachers Day po! Happy Teachers Month! Happy Teachers Day, Sir! Thank you, Happy Teachers Day, Mom!
Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good.
Happy Teachers Day to all teachers out there. God bless. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers.
Do the
Happy Teachers Day to